In the first task, I was requested to create some random numbers and align them in the center of my mobile application. So in my Flutter program, I have my stateless widget which deals with the title and other stuff. And after that I have stateful widget which deals with the progress. In this stateful widget I created a numbers list to hold the randomly generated numbers. And after that I created a function called insert new number and used the random class inside of this function to generate random numbers between 0 and 100. Then in my widget tree I set the body as center and its child columns main axis alignment as center, so the numbers generated by insert new number function will be displayed in the center of the page. And then I used a text widget to display these numbers. And finally I changed the on pressed option of this floating action button as insert new number function, so when the user presses this plus button my insert new number function will be called and generate some randomly created number. In task 2 I was requested to align these numbers to the top right of the page instead of center of the page. So the main idea of the code is similar to the previous task, so I will just explain the change in the code. In the widget tree I changed the center widget to align widget and set the alignment to top right so the numbers move to the top right of the page instead of the center. Then I also added the padding widget to create some spaces between the edges of the page, and this code block deals with the spacing between edges. And in the column widget I set the cross-axis alignment to cross-axis alignment.end to make sure the numbers align to the right. And finally I added the text align.right inside the text widget to ensure the text itself is right aligned instead of center aligned of the column. In task 3 I was requested to align the numbers to the top right too. However, there should be some change between task 2. In task 2 numbers should look like this in the widget mode, which looks like the numbers should be aligned to the top center of the column. However, in the task 3 they should be aligned to the top right of the column widget. So when we use the widget mode of the Flutter inspector and check the column, we can see this. This is the previous version, and now I will use the hot reload to see what will task 3 do. Click this column again, and as you can see the numbers are aligned to the top right of the column widget inside. So how did I achieve this? I changed the cross-axis alignment of the column widget as stretch instead of end, and this allowed me to use the top right alignment of inside of the column, and I set the alignment of the numbers inside the column widget instead of outside of the column widget as before.